This is Judy Hill from Love of Home Creations, and I have a DIY project that I'm going to try out today, and I wanted to do it with you so you could see how it worked for me. So I have a drain that's clogged, and I'm going to take my camera off the stand for a moment. So excuse the wiggle there, but I have a drain here in my basement that keeps clogging up and backing up, and it's of course not doing it right now that I'm recording this. There it goes. It starts backing up, and so I have a clogged drain, and I don't want to necessarily, let me put the camera back, buy some expensive harsh chemicals, and I love doing things DIY. So we're going to try this. What this contains is something that you probably already have at home. So we're going to use some baking soda, some table salt, and you know it, vinegar, because vinegar is one of my favorite household items for cleaning products and DIY products. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a half a cup of the baking soda. I've already measured it out, and I'm going to put it in this bowl. And then I'm going to take a fourth of a cup of table salt. I'm going to stir that up. I'm just going to use the measuring spoon here, or the measuring cup. And we're simply going to pour it down the drain. I'm going to take out my guard here. I'm going to pour this down the drain. I'm tapping, my bowl was a little wet. So just so you can see what I'm doing here, it just kind of sits in the drain. Now I'm going to take heated vinegar. So I've heated up my vinegar for about a minute. So let me check on that. And you take a cup, 1 cup of heated vinegar, and you pour it down. So I want you guys to be able to see this as I'm doing it. Okay, so now I've waited about 15 minutes since I poured the heated vinegar down the drain with the mixture, and now I'm supposed to run the faucet, hot tap water, for about 30 to 60 seconds. So we're going to see if this helps. Again, we're going to go over the recipe. The recipe is a half a cup of baking soda and a fourth a cup of table salt and 1 cup of heated vinegar. Pour that down the drain. Oops, I'm showing you my air fryer there. And then you wait about 15 minutes. I did use a spoon to kind of stir the mixture so it went down the drain. And then you're supposed to let it run hot water, and it's just now getting hot, for about 30 to 60 seconds down the drain. And that's supposed to clean out your drain. So it still looks a little clogged up. Let's see if this works. Wonder if I do a couple of treatments, because I got a lot of gunk down in there. This is the sink I use when I'm doing all my crafts for Love of Home Creations. And wow, that looks a lot better. It looks like it's backing up maybe a little bit. No. That is looking so much better. by now it would have started backing up. I'm going to try this treatment a couple of times. I've been standing here for a little bit, and it seems to be helping tremendously. Put my drain guard back in there, and I think if I do this every couple of weeks, this will help keep my drain clean. So thank you very much for trying this project out with me. Judy Hill with Love of Home Creations. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me as I learn and try out new DIY projects. I'm going to try them out for you, and we'll see if they work together. So talk to you later. Bye.